Hey guys, so I'm going to show you guys a very simple way to tune the MX5 and the Miata. I'm tuned by Saucetune with Justin, and yeah, it's just a quick guide on how to do a quick update version of my tune. I'm on version 3 now. Version 2 of the Saucetune was done about 2 weeks ago after I was autocrossing. I think it was pretty fun, but Justin gave me another tune today, and I'm gonna show you how to quickly update. So first things first, you gotta make sure that your device is connected with the OBD port. He will recommend usually the one that's compatible with the mazdaedit. So we have this mazdaedit software here, and I know it works because it has a device link and device info. So yeah, so what we do is we go straight to the software, and there's a flash utility button, and yeah, so we have to read ECU. As you can see, connected. You turn the ignition switch and then press OK to continue. And I think it's like the standby button. Press it again, and OK to continue. So it starts reading. So the standby is you can press start engine twice, and that's initially see, it seems like it's connected there, the green light, and see if we can start writing some. I think it's still trying to read it. Alright guys, so I think now that it's working, it's starting to write the version 3. It took me a couple tries, but now that the OBD port, I had to remove it and put it back in. Now it works, so it's green, so it started writing, and it's gonna probably take like 2 minutes. Very simple. After you have it in the proper ignition, pressing the key the button twice, it's gonna start writing. After you click the flash memory, write to ECU flash memory button, it'll like do a weird thing where it automatically turns on the headlights, and but the dashboard lights, all of it turns off, which is interesting. It seems like it's starting to write, and I believe it's about 3 minutes left, but it's pretty quick. Yeah, so that's about it. Yeah, using the OBD2 port and the mazdaedit and Justin Saucetune, he sends it over pretty easy. Just download it and plug it into the mazdaedit light, and after that we're gonna take a short ride and see how it feels differently with the new version of my tune for the Mazda 3 MX5 ND 2019. I did have a Mazda 3, but I never got to tune it. I only did the JB4, but that was a long time ago. So yeah, talk to you later.